Welcome to FlexiMetal Pricing, the ultimate Odoo app designed for metal product trading companies. Whether you deal with iron, steel, or other commodity metals, this app is built to simplify your operations and boost efficiency. Step 1. Metal Price Management Dashboard in Odoo. In the metal industry, prices fluctuate daily, and each vendor offers unique rates and making charges based on the product. FlexiMetal Pricing helps you stay ahead by managing dynamic price changes across multiple vendors with ease. Step 2. Multi-vendor price list interface in Odoo. With multi-vendor price comparison, you can instantly compare prices, charges, and timelines. The integrated sales module helps you make quick decisions, saving time and improving customer satisfaction by ensuring clients don't wait for updates. Plus, our app supports CSV bulk price uploads, letting you update prices across vendors within minutes. Step 3. UOM conversion in action on the sales module. Accurate unit of measurement conversions are critical in the metal business. FlexiMetal Pricing ensures seamless conversions between kilograms, meters, and metric tons, giving you the accuracy you need to maintain customer trust. Step 4. Vendor Selection Wizard in a quotation workflow. This app is perfect for metal product trading companies that deal with iron, steel, and other commodity products. Whether you're buying or selling, the Supplier Info Wizard ensures you select the best vendor with just a few clicks. Step 5. Highlighting cost savings in the reporting module. For metal trading companies, profit margins are everything. With detailed reports and insights, FlexiMetal helps you optimize costs, streamline workflows, and maximize profits. Summary of features displayed on the screen. FlexiMetal Pricing revolutionizes metal trading operations with features like dynamic pricing, vendor charges, price comparison, bulk updates, order management, real-time reporting. Take your metal trading business to the next level with FlexiMetal Pricing, the Odoo app built to handle the complexities of the metal industry with ease. Get started now. Visit primacyinfotech.com or contact us at sales@primacyinfotech.com to learn more.